As you know, leaders are responsible for supporting their employees with actionable performance feedback. And most likely your goal is to retain your top performers and grow all your talent to their maximum capability so you can nail your goals. Hi, I'm Amii Barnard-Bahn, C-Suite coach, keynote speaker, and the creator of the Promotability Index Guidebook and Assessment. The most effective way to support your employees is to help them reach their own career aspirations. And here's where the Promotability Index and Guidebook and PI assessment can serve as a valuable resource for you and your organization. This two-part toolkit will give you the opportunity to create a shared language for promotability in your organization. It will give you the objective criteria to identify the leadership skills and knowledge required for advancement. Powerful conversations will result from the PI assessment and discussing the results with your team members. The guidebook complements and supports your company's performance evaluation process. It will easily help you co-create customized growth paths for each employee that you endorse. And best of all, it will be based on their unique abilities, interests, and working preferences. We know that people will only change when they're highly motivated to do so. They need to trust that they have your support. You can earn that trust by giving your team members candid feedback and learning opportunities. Trust requires truth, and truth requires trust. I'm here to answer any questions you may have. Connect with me on LinkedIn or find out more about my services on my website. Here's to your and your team's success.